Hello, welcome to the HUDS-ON workshop. We're here in the all-door viewing gallery looking at our extension table. This is a really exciting project, offers a lot of range and flexibility. In its small state, it starts at 34 inches by 33 inches and it extends out to 74 inches. So we're just going to walk you through the entire extension process. So underneath there are some levers to release the legs in the first place. Once released, the table is free to extend, and we can add the leaflets. So the leaflets have dowels on them to allow for alignment, at least rough alignment. Once they are in place, there are a clasp mechanism underneath that can be simply clasped and tightened for final alignment. Very simple. And this is our first alteration size. This gives you a length of really 54 inches. Exactly, 54.5 inches. And yeah, if this works for you, then you can use this size. If not, you can still add another extension. So that process is quite simple. By adding another 20-inch leaflet, same process, rough aligning with the dowels. And your final alignments by hand with the clasps. And closing. Table up. Just one last clasp, hold the legs in. This is not required, but does provide a bit more sturdy. Final alignment, and there we go. So there you go, you got a very sturdy and rigid table that extends from 33 inches out to 74 to allow for different potentials for entertainment. Whether it's just yourself and your small family, or one day you decide to entertain, you have the flexibility to offer both of those solutions from a single table.